Hi, it's Jimmy, Mr. Track Cleaner. Welcome back for another installment of model railroading, track cleaning ideas. And besides doing track cleaning, I'm actually into model railroading. So that's where the track cleaner came along. Being a model railroader, I want to have fun. I don't want to clean track. I don't want to clean wheels. I just want to have fun. So that's how it is. A couple other products that I make are related to model railroading and also kind of related to my job. One of them is real scrap metal, where I actually capture metal right off the mill. Maybe making something at work. I don't know what it was. No, really, it wasn't work. It was on lunchtime. This is small enough sawdust that we could probably use it in model railroading. So let me show you some real scrap metal products for modeling. Real scrap metal. So by the bag, it's metal sawdust that you can put on a piece of cork and glue it on there, and then put it in a gondola or create a scene, a metal recycling scene where you want scrap metal. This comes in different grades. This particular grade is like metal curls. These might be a little sharp, so be careful. They won't cut you unless you rub across it the wrong way, which is not an idea. Here's another grade, random aluminum, off the side cutter, whatever, but none of this stuff really ever hits the floor. I make sure that we catch it on cardboard. It's not sweepings off the floor. This is fresh, virgin aluminum scrap metal. Here's a nice version of fine scrap metal, the fine stuff. This works really good for N scale. It's super fine sawdust aluminum, so it's non-magnetic. But here is offered 3 pieces of cork that have been thickened up by some other cork that fits into, these are actually for the 65-foot Walthers mainline gondola, and it comes with a bag of scrap, whatever flavor you want, on the web store. And this is only 20 bucks. You get 3 loads, make your own, and I'll show you what they're going to look like. Here's a cork load with some various aluminum made on it for the 65-foot Walthers mainline gondola. I thickened up the cork a little bit by adding 2 more pieces to give this more filler. It fills up the gondola better. And then a sprinkling of real scrap metal products to create a load in the freight car. Here's one in my hand over here, a different type. This is that fine aluminum, which I just showed you. This is on the same thing, piece of cork. It fits the 65-foot Walthers mainline gondola. Many different road names that these come in. I have several, and this load is designed to fit for this car. Here's another one. This is the finer aluminum in a load for the 65-foot Walthers mainline gondola. And you can buy that real scrap metal by the bag. You can buy it by the kit, 3-package kit where you can make your own loads, or you can buy a car with a load